also the peer-to-peer program, and I've been a member of like the ALSAM program that they have. It's like a continuation from here to there. So you do research with a professor there, and they provide fundings, and you would go to conferences and present your work. Seed, I would highly recommend joining Seed because they have so much resources, and it's basically a community now. We're like 150 or something, but the amount of like underrepresented minority students has been increasing, but still not as it should be. Yeah.
Would you recommend transfers to join?
Yes, yes. So before you transfer, I would say apply. If you know, like once you know your, we'll start, for example, let's say fall. There's a link that you can go to and apply to, and then you'll be integrated into the program. So you'll be assigned a mentor. That way you can easily find help when you need it, and have this community of like people to work with.
Is it only for engineering majors, or?
No, it's not.
Because it's called engineering.
Yeah, yeah. So it's under the College of Engineering, but there are science students, College of Science, computer science students, industrial. So some, I think they're trying to make it broader. But like if you're in this thing, it should be easy.
Oh yeah, it says STEMing in the little.
Yeah. Another program is another organization is Alumni. This Office of Minority Education and Development. So this is different from SEED. So this is mostly focused on. So SEED provides you areas of study, and they have their office, so they have some study areas for students. Alumni does have that as well. But only provides tutoring for different classes. So they have assigned tutors that would basically have session time depending on your major. Chemical engineering, at the beginning, the most difficult thing is the first class, I would say, and they provide really helpful tutoring sessions for that class. Another one is Transfer Students Association. This is also an organization that you can join in your first semester when you join, and you will be assigned mentors. And we basically discuss about different challenges that transfer students have. And this is it's like a broad, not specifically chemical engineering, but any majors. Yeah.
Are you a mentor now?
Yes, I'm a graduate mentor now. So I spend most of my time with SEED because of the type of students that I want to support and help with and work with. And also, I have a lot of like 12 to 14 students here. So most of my time is with SEED, but I also have some of the students that I mentor here are also in SEED. So that can also help, yeah. But you can also join that. And another one is NASB. So the Society of Black Engineers, specifically if you're interested in engineering, NASB is like a national organization, like located at every school, and not specifically to Georgia Tech, but this is one of the chapter at Georgia Tech. And they invite industry people to have talks, and so just like this event, they would have lunch, and you would go and listen to a specific company, what questions you have about career and resume development and all of those things. But if you ask, so there are a lot of students involved here, but it's heavily engineering. Yeah. So my participation in these programs really helped me. So from the industry experience, one of the research work industry experience that I got was through SEED, and a company, like different companies come to these career fairs and present what they do and what they work on, and from that I had the opportunity to work with a Corex filtration group. So I did I worked with them 2 times, and 2 different times for Forex. So it was an internship at the beginning. So Forex actually work on developing this type of material. So this is membranes for sensors, so gas sensors. For example, when you have CO sensors or H2S sensors, you have this type of material within them. So you're developing these type of materials. They also not this scale, but a bigger scale of this, where they look into membranes for water as a filtration separation. And also they also work on applicators for makeups, and this is one of applications materials we used for like applying lip gloss. Yes, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, it was a fun. So we bought makeups and lip glosses at the time. So just to test, but we didn't have that much idea on how we know the engineering and the material, but like what you want it to look like. So we had to do a lot of work with other, like our female colleagues and other participants. So they work on different things. They're located in Faber, Georgia. So this is one of the companies that you can probably work with as a chemical engineer or as a chemist.